So now that we have discussed about the terms related to circle, let's try this. Number 1. Name this circle. Remember that a circle can be named after its center. So if the center of this circle is point O, this circle can be named as circle O. Number 2. Identify all diameters. Remember that a diameter is a chord which passes through the center of the circle. So the diameters of this circle are segment AB, AB, and segment SC, SC. Number 3. Identify all radii. Radii is the plural form for radius, and a radius is a segment whose one endpoint lies on the center of the circle and another endpoint lies on the circle. So the radii of this circle are segment AO, this is segment AO, segment RO, this is RO, segment SO, SO, segment BO, this is BO, and segment CO, this is segment CO. Number 4. Name all chords. Again, a chord is a segment whose endpoint lies on the circle. A chord may or may not pass through the center of the circle. So the chords of this circle are segment SC, this is SC, segment AB, this is AB, and last is segment DE. This is segment DE. Let's have another example. If the diameter of an electric fan is 15 inches, what is the length of its radius? In our figure here, the diameter of this electric fan is represented by this orange segment. Always remember that a radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, or radius is half of the diameter. In other words, a radius measures twice the diameter. In our example, the radius is equal to 15 over 2 inches. 15 here is the given measurement of the diameter, which is 15 inches. Divided by 2 comes from the formula. So the measurement of this radius is equal to 7.5 inches because 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Let's go now to theorem number 1. It says that if a radius is perpendicular to a chord, then it bisects the chord. So let's explain this one by one. In our figure here, our radius is segment CO. So this is our radius. And segment AB here is our chord. Notice that segment CO and segment AB form a perpendicular line. What do we mean by perpendicular line? Perpendicular line are lines which intersects and form a 90-degree angle. And this figure here represents a 90-degree angle. So from the theorem, our radius cut AB into two equal parts. Bisects means it cuts this segment into two equal parts. So we can say that segment AP is equal to segment PB. Segment AP is equal to segment PB. Okay. To understand the theorem further, let's try this. Number 1. If AB is 12 meters, find the measurement of segment AP. So AB is given as 12 meters. So if CO cut AB into two equal parts, then the measurement of segment AP is equal to 6 centimeters because 12 divided by 2 is 6. Next is find the measurement of segment PB. Since we say that AP is equal to PB, then the measurement of segment PB is also 6 centimeters. Number 2, if PB is 3.2 centimeters, find the measurement of AB. So if PB is given as 3.2, we are asked to find the measurement of AB. Okay, so if PB is 3.2, AP is also 3.2. And 3.2 plus 3.2 is 6.4 centimeters. Or simply 3.2 centimeters times 2 is 6.4 centimeters. Let's have the definition of degree measure of arcs. It says that the measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So let's have an example. In this figure, central angle is angle AQB. So this is our central angle. And the intercepted arc is arc AB. Arc AB. It says that the measurement of the central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So if this angle measures 60 degrees, this arc measures 60 degrees. Let's have another example. angle APB is an example of central angle because its vertex is on the center of the circle. If the measurement of angle APB is given as 84 degrees, what do you think is the measurement of arc AB? Again, if the measurement of angle APB is 84 degrees, what is the measure of arc AB? If your answer is 84 degrees, you are correct. Let's have another example. Our central angle here is angle AOB. Angle AOB. If the intercepted arc of angle AOB or arc AB here is given as 80 degrees, what do you think is the measurement of this angle represented by letter X? If AB measures 80 degrees, what is the measurement of angle AOB? If your answer is 80 degrees, then you are correct. So next is the measure of an inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Again, inscribed angle here is an angle whose vertex is on the circle, not on the center of the circle. So from our figure here, angle ABC is an inscribed angle, and its intercepted arc is arc AC. So from the definition of degree measure of arcs, this inscribed angle is 1/2 of the intercepted arc. So if arc AC measures 32 degrees, what is the measurement of this angle? The answer is 16 degrees. 32 divided by 2 is 16, or half of 32 is 16. Let's have another example. Our inscribed angle is angle NMP. If the intercepted arc is given as 100 degrees, what do you think is the measure of angle NMP? What is the measure of angle NMP? If your answer is 50 degrees, you are correct. Let's have another example. From our next figure, the inscribed angle is angle XYZ, and its intercepted arc is arc XWZ. If angle XYZ is given as 115 degrees, what is the measurement of arc XWZ? What is the measurement of this arc? If your answer is 230 degrees, you are correct. Okay. Let's go now to the final activity for today. Let's have identify each of the following as related to the given circle. We have here this figure. This is circle Q because the center is point Q. Let's have number 1. What is point Q? Number 1, what is point Q? Write your answer on the comment section. Number 1, what is point Q? Center. You are correct. Number 2, what is segment PS? Segment PS is here. What is segment PS? Look at segment PS. Its endpoints are on the circle. The answer is chord. Segment PS is a chord. Number 3. What is segment PR? What is segment PR? Segment PR is a diameter. Diameter because it passes through the center of the circle. Number 4. Segment SQ. Segment SQ. What is segment SQ? Write your answer. If your answer is radius, you are correct. Let's have number 5. What is segment SR? What is segment SR? Segment, not line. Segment SR. Segment SR, not line SR. If your answer is chord, you are correct. Number 6. What is segment PQ? PQ. What is segment PQ? The answer is radius. The answer is radius. Number 7. What is angle PQS? Angle PQS. This is angle PQS. PQS. The answer is central angle. Angle PQS is a central angle. Number 8. Point P. Point P. What is point P? Notice that point P is the intersection of circle Q and this line. Point P is the intersection of this circle and this line. It's called point of tangency. Point of tangency. Number 9. What is angle PRS? Angle PRS. This is angle PRS. Write your answer. What is angle P, R, S? Answer is inscribed angle. It's an inscribed angle because its vertex, here, vertex, is on the circle, not on the center of the circle. Number 10. What is angle RSP? What is angle RSP? Angle RSP. What is angle RSP? The answer is inscribed angle. Angle RSP is an inscribed angle. Do you want more? Let's have more. Number 11. What is arc RSP? Arc RSP. What is arc RSP? This is arc RSP. RSP. Write your answer on the comment section. What is arc RSP? Okay, the answer is semicircle. Semicircle. Number 12. What is arc RS? What is arc RS? Notice that arc RS is small. It is small. What is arc RS? Okay, so if your answer is minor arc, you are correct. Number 13. What is arc RPS? RPS. RPS. What is arc RPS? So it's so big. Arc RPS is big. What it is? The answer is a major arc. Arc RPS is a major arc. Last two. Number 14. What is line RS? Notice that we are talking about the line RS. Line RS. Not segment RS. We are talking about line RS. What is line RS? Notice that line RS intersects the circle at 2 points, at point R and point S. So what is line RS? The answer is second. Line RS is second. Number 15. Number 15. What is line PT? This is line PT. Line PT. What is line PT? The answer is tangent line. Line PT is a tangent line.